Wow. Oh my God. Wow. It's alive.
Yes, it's true.
Dad? Is it really?
Yes, it's ours.
Oh my God. Wow, Dad, this is a really cool car. How did you get it?
Well, I have a friend that works at the port. He gave me a cool price that I couldn't resist. The price was reasonably low, so I had to jump at it.
That's great, Daddy. I mean, I can already see myself cruising around town, painting town red. Go tire, go tire.
But chance.
Dad.
It's not going to happen.
But Dad.
If you want to drive a car that bad, go and get yours.
But Dad, that's not even fair.
Well, if life is fair, I'll be holidaying in a yacht in the south of France, sipping on a glass of wine. But then, here I am with my daughter, telling me she wants to drive the car that I just bought, while I have a pile of work to do in the library. So you see, life is not fair after all.
All right. Wouldn't you just love me to smack that smug look off your face?
But I'm not the one that said you shouldn't drive the car now, alright?
Well, Shade, when you're through, lock the doors and bring the keys to my room, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Dad, please.
So, good. Girls, I'll see you guys later.
Dad. Really? Babes, you should not give this guy the time of the day. I mean, how on earth do you take so much arrogance from a guy like him?
I know, but it's not every time you see a guy that is so connected in the industry. Tayo, that guy can get us some huge advertising gigs.
So, haven't we been getting gigs before? Haba.
Well, this can get us something bigger. Speaking of which, there's a party coming up on Saturday.
What party?
Some industry hotshot is having a party, and from what I hear, it's going to be a classy affair.
Wow. Where's he holding?
Gardenia!
Gardenia? Oh my God. Babes, Gardenia is like the coolest place to party. But that Gardenia is foul.
So, we can take a taxi now.
You know taxis are in that area. Unless...
What?
Unless... Oh yeah.
What?
Don't worry. We are going to go to that party. And we are going to have a car. Oh yeah.
We will? How?
I say don't worry now, babes. Now wow. I said we're going to go for the party. You just get your dress ready. Because we are going to party. And we are definitely going to have a car.
Well, okay. If you say so. Talk to you later. Bye, girl.
Okay. Bye. Gardenia, here we come! Hey, Daddy.
Tayo, how is it going?
Very well, Dad. I brought some fruit salad for you. Made specially by me. For you, Dad.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. That is so thoughtful of you. Thanks.
Don't mention. Just make sure you eat every one of it. So, what are you doing?
updating my website because I'm emailing them tonight to my web designer.
Really? That's so interesting, Daddy. So cool. Dad?
Yes.
I need to ask something of you.
What is it?
Dad, you know I'm a very good person, right? And you know I've been a very responsible child, right, Daddy?
What did you do?
Huh? I didn't do anything, no.
So, what is this about?
I've been invited to a party by my friend. Most of the big shots in the advertising industry will be there.
As long as you come back by 10 p.m., I have no problems.
Dad, that's not it. I need... I need...
What do you need? No.
Huh?
No, Tayo. There's no way I'm going to handle the car keys to you.
Dad, please, the venue is far.
Then take a cab.
But Dad, cabs don't even go there.
Then stay at home. There's no how I'm going to give you the keys to the car. Because as far as I'm concerned, you are an unqualified driver.
Dad, I went for driving lessons for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, Daddy, 2.
You haven't driven in the streets of Lagos. So in my books, you are an unqualified driver.
Dad, please. Please, Daddy, I'm begging you, please.
Young lady, I said no. And that's final. As you can see, I'm in the middle of work here. Mommy, good evening, ma.
Sumbo báwo ni?
Adupe, ma. How are you?
Pẹ̀lẹ́ ọkọ mi, not so good, I'm afraid.
What happened?
I fell.
Fell? Where? How?
No need for you to suffer panic attack. It is not like I'm dead now.
Well, Mom, there is no how I will hear this and not feel concerned.
I know. But I'm okay now. If only my hips will stop haunting me.
Look, Mom, I'll be coming to Ibadan tomorrow. That's all.
No need for you to come now. Don't worry.
Don't even bother to stop me. I'm seeing you tomorrow. And that's all.
If that be the case, okay, I will ask Idupe to go to the market so that we can prepare amola with a ewedu soup for you.
Okay, ma. Just make sure you have some rest, okay?
I will, my dear. See you tomorrow.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Hi, sis. Good morning. Good morning.
I wish there was something good about the morning.
Is there anything wrong?
I have a party at Gardenia.
So?
What do you mean so? I need a ride there.
Take the taxi now.
Taxis don't go there. Even if anyone will go, they'll charge me an arm and a leg for that. I can't afford that right now.
And Dad said no, right?
I mean, I don't get it. Why on earth will he pay for me to attend driving lessons if he would not even allow me to drive the car in the first place?
Well, it's a new car. And secondly, you aren't exactly a qualified driver.
Enough With the qualified driver talk. If I hear it one more time, I'll have to puke.
As long as you don't puke in my tea, you're free to do so.
Morning, girls.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning, Dad.
Where is Shadi?
Maybe she went jogging.
Okay. I'm off to Ibadan to go and see your grandmother.
Is everything okay?
She fell and she broke her hip, so I want to go and make sure everything is fine.
Okay, Dad.
When are you coming back?
Tomorrow, hopefully. Just to make sure everything is fine.
Dad,
Yes?
are you driving down?
No, not in the mood. I already told the cabman to come pick me up. That should be him. I need to go now. See you guys
Daddy.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Have a safe
My
trip,
regards to
Dad.
Grandma.
I will. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes. There's a God in heaven and he loves me.
I don't think God condones going behind Daddy's back to use his car when he clearly told you not to.
Well, baby sister. What Daddy does not know cannot kill him now, can it? I get the car, Gardenia. Here it comes, swerve, swerve, move, move, go then, go, go, go.
Tayo, how come you're going to the party this early? It's barely even 7 o'clock.
So, shut up. What do you even know about parties? Besides, you know where Gina lives. I still have to go and pick her. And before I go to Gardenia, which is on the other side of town, it'll probably be 10 p.m. with Lagos traffic.
Tayo, you could get into trouble, you know.
Of course I know what I'm doing. Do I look 5 years old to you?
Okay. Tayo. 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 Tayo, you could get into trouble, you know.
Oh, shut up. What trouble am I getting into? Stop sounding like a pessimist. I'm only going for a party, after which I'll come and park Daddy's car for him.
Okay, fine. Just go.
Besides, what Daddy does not know can't kill him, right? Right?
Did you go for the party again?
I can't.
Why?
See, Bumi, I'm in big trouble. When I say big, I mean big, big trouble. Hello, Emeka. Please, I need a mechanic that can spray paint and use and a car sharp, sharp, sharp.
Eh?
Okay, cool. Emeka, please, help me out. Help my sister out. If you don't help, I'll be a dead person. ASAP, please, just sharp, sharp. Okay, thank you, Oh, alright, later.
Tayo, what did you do?
See, is it not that stupid Gina? She was supposed to be looking at the road for me. Instead, she was checking her stupid contact lens. That's how I bashed Daddy's car.
Tayo.
I know. If Emeka does not help me now, see, Daddy will kill me. I'm a dead person. Your sister is a dead person.
But I told you it was a bad idea, didn't I?
Hey! You can see that I'm as tense as a tightrope right now. So if you cannot give me suggestion on how to help the matter on ground, you can as well zip it. Zip that thing in your head you call a mouth. Emeka, call me now.
I'm not saying anything, no. After all, I wasn't the one who asked to take that car out. So on this one, you are so on your own. Rubbish.
Girls, I'm home.
Daddy. Welcome, Daddy. How was your trip?
It was good.
And Grandma?
She's fine. She sends her love.
I'll call her later to say hi and check up on her.
She would love that. Did anything happen while I was gone?
No, Daddy. Nothing happened. Everything was just fine. Welcome.
No problems?
No problems, Daddy.
Good. I'll need to go and have a shower. I'm so tired.
Sorry, Daddy. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Huh? What?
Payment.
Payment for what? I don't remember buying anything from you.
You're buying my silence.
Huh?
You see, I require some compensation from you for me not to tell Dad about you and his car.
Bumi! But that's blackmail.
No, it's paying me for keeping quiet. So are we having this deal? Or do you want me to tell Dad what happened to his car?
What do you want?
Just 5K.
Are you insane?
Are we having this deal or not?
You are such a brat.
It's gonna be 5K richer.
Why are you looking for, young man?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I'm looking for one Miss Tayo, sir.
What Tayo? Which Tayo?
Actually, sorry, sir. Just hold on, sir. I came to give her this, sir.
What is this?
It's a receipt, sir, to the pannibeating and spraying of a car, sir.
Which car?
This particular car, sir.
Oh, I see. I'll give it to her. Bye.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Evening, Tayo. How's your day been?
Very well. It's just about to start anyway.
There's something odd about this car.
Odd? How, Dad?
There's something odd. I just can't place my finger on it.
Dad, there's nothing wrong with the car. It's fine.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. You're just getting old, but you won't admit it.
Oh, well. If you say so, we're all going to grow old someday.
Yes, Dad.
Welcome, Daddy.
Bumi. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your day been?
Fine, good.
Oh, what are you doing? Shh. We had a deal.
What are you talking about?
What did you tell Dad about the car?
I didn't tell him anything.
But he was asking me about the car.
I don't know. He got eyes, you know.
Listen, we had a deal. So you stick to your own part. What are you doing here?
Can't I come and see my sis again?
Oh, please. What's that call about? You know I'm not buying that gist. So tell me, what are you doing here?
Well, if you insist, the 5K has finished.
And how is that my problem?
I've come for reimbursement.
You're joking, right?
Do I look like I'm joking?
That's ridiculous.
No, it's ridiculous as taking that this car without his knowledge and bashing it.
Bumi, how on earth am I supposed to get that kind of money? I mean, you know what people know that I've not even been paid for the last job and I just spent all my money trying to fix daddy's car.
I don't know. That's your problem. All I know is that I need more money, and if I'm not able to get it, or dad is going to find out what happened to his car. Later, sis.
Dad, I'm so sorry. What I did was wrong. I was so foolish. I'm sorry. I wasn't even thinking.
This is about the car you hit, right?
How did you know?
Actually, the panel beater came to give you this.
Dad, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tayo, it's bad enough that you disobeyed me. But you didn't own up to what you did. Why?
I was scared.
That I will kill you? Come on, Tayo. I know I put strict rules on the car. That doesn't mean that I will kill you. You have to learn to own up to your responsibilities, or else your integrity will be questioned.
Okay, Dad. I promise it will never, ever happen again. I promise.
Good girl. Now that you have repaired the car, I will consider that to be your punishment.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
Well done, Daddy. Tayo, can we talk?
Nope.
And as for you, little blackmailer.
Did you tell him?
Well, that's about the blackmailing part.
So, young lady, I have extra powerful senses to pick up these things, you know.
Dad,
So, for your punishment, I'm going to deduct the money you collected from Tayo, bit by bit, from your pocket money until you paid the money all up.
But Dad, that's not fair.
Life's not fair, young lady. Ha ha ha.